What's up, guys? So, as you can see, I have a mess on my face. I was recording a TikTok this morning, and so what better way to do a review than with makeup all over your face? And this is lipstick, because I was doing a TikTok trend. So this is the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, Lift and Illuminate. And I thought this was like moisturizer or whatever, because it's supposed to give you like a rosy, rose gold like tint to your face. But in fact, it is a makeup cleanser. So it says take a small amount and warm in the hands. Apply directly to the face to break down makeup, dirt, or to purify the skin. Rinse with warm water or a muslin cloth for improved results and gentle exfoliation. Use morning and night for best results. Caution, discontinue use if irritation occurs. So, oh, it's never been opened. So, it is very thick. It is very, very thick. It looks like Vaseline. So it said take a small amount, so we're going to try this. And I'm going to warm it with my fingers, like it said. I do not like the way this smells. And I don't have muslin syrup. I know people has had like, instead of using these cotton pads, they have like cloth pads. And I've looked in Walmart and stuff, and I can't find them. So we're going to use a cloth, but I want to find some. I guess I could look on Amazon or whatever, because instead of me having to buy these things all the time, if I had the other ones, I could just wash them, and oh wow, it comes right off. I didn't scrub or anything, I just wiped it off. My face still looks like it's got a tint to it, but just wash my whole face. So it looks like I still have like the tint of the lipstick on my face, but it's off. I guess that's just the way it looks. So I would say this is a great product. If you would like it, is from Pink Diamond. And you've seen it firsthand, because that's the first time you see me open it. And you just warm it up, you put it on there, work through the dirt, makeup, whatever, and you wipe it off with a warm rag. And voila, it comes off. So, I like that. I normally use... oh, it's already out. I normally use this Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover, and as you see, it's like oily. It's separated. I mean, it takes it off really good, but it leaves my face oily. And then I have to go into this whole process of washing and trying to get all the oil off and then put moisturizer and all that good stuff. So I like this. I really do. So this is my review on the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. And I think it's a great product. So here's how it looks. And it is out of one of my Ipsy Glam boxes. So, till next time, that's it. Thanks for watching.